Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit these websites. So let's see these cool gadgets and hacks we've got in these clips. We've got this smart washing machine. This is another one. This is a plastic one. It's convenient. You can use it anywhere at home. We've got this small air freshener, and this is a small trash bin you can use in the bathroom. We've got this foam you can use for wiping off maybe markers and ink. We've got these small dispenser you can use for liquid soap in your bathroom. This is a dispenser you can use for storing grains. This is a small juicer you can use for making different types of juice. It's really helpful. You can also use it as a glass for drinking juice. This is a small fan you can use in the kitchen. You can stick it to the wall. We've got this tool you can use for covering food. That's plastic foil. We've got this one you can use for compressing plastic bags. This is a small brush you can use for brushing off your bed. We've got this electric brush you can use for doormats. You can also use it for cleaning gas stoves. This is a rack you can use for organizing your sandals in the bathroom. This is a cooker you can use for seafood. This is a small juicer you can use for making different types of juice. This is another tool you can use for compressing plastic bags for saving more space. This is another cooker you can use for cooking chicken, pizza, and other food. This is another plastic washing machine. You can also dry up your clothes using this amazing washing machine. We've got this brush you can use for bathing. This is small iron. We've got this tool you can use for brushing off your clothes. This is another package. We've got this beautiful plastic organizer you can use for your shoes. This is a spray you can use for your shoes. Let's see what's in this box. This is a mirror. It's really beautiful. We've got this electric pot you can use for cooking food. This is a rice cooker. We've got this plastic egg holder you can use for organizing eggs in the fridge. We've got this ice cube mold. We've got this tool you can use for organizing your cutlery. This is another plastic box you can use for cutlery. This is a small pen. You can use anywhere at home. It's a folding pen. This is a smart trash bin. We've got this grinder you can use for grinding meat. This is a folding broom and dustpan. We've got these bags you can use for organizing jeans. We've got this brush you can use for cleaning your toilet, and we've got this soap holder you can use in your bathroom. This is a pink trash bin you can use in your bathroom. We've got this brush you can use for doing the dishes. This is another clip. We're gonna see the products this lady has in her apartment. She's doing laundry. She's gonna mop the floor using these tools. This is a mop, and we've got this cleaner you can use for the corners. This is a foam you can use for cleaning your sneakers. We've got this closet you can use for organizing your shoes. This is another cooker. We've got these plastic boxes you can use for dry fruit. And this is another rice cooker. This is a small mop you can use for cleaning your mirror and windows. We've got this folding basket. This is a beautiful doormat. We've got this tool you can use for your face. This is another small plastic washing machine. All these gadgets and tools are available on Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress. You can also find them on other stores or platforms. So you just need to type the name of the product, and you're gonna find it in different platforms or stores. We've got this small tool you can use for brushing off your clothes. This is a small iron. We've got this beautiful organizer or drawers. This is a small rack you can use in your bathroom. We've got this folding mop again you can use for mopping the floor. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.